Network Entertainment.
Aside from F1, aside from motorcycle riders, we actually see these with athletes. So it's a good alternative to just doing a ice bath. This one, it's regulated, it's controlled. So try it, Bak.
Kasi mainit ulo ko kanina pag tanghali. Buong araw ako sa labas. Ngayon parang nakakalma ako.
Sino ba yung kasama mo kanina?
Everybody went outside. So, was complaining.
Ano, lamig nito ah. Mas malamig pa sa aircon nyo ah.
Alright, on this episode of Tunay na Rider, grabe, ang init. We're gonna share tips on how to beat the heat. So we've got Coach Buck
Hello, good
from
evening.
Enduro Adventure Philippines.
Sanay ako sa malamig kaya hindi ko alam yan.
Sa Mongolia.
Goodness.
Of course, we've got the OG, Tito Bobby Orbe.
Hello.
So we will get a lot of wisdom about yung mga
Old school
yung
hacks.
mga old school hacks. Yung mga mali-mali.
Hindi naman.
We've got
Yung pre-internet hacks. Yung wala pang fake news.
We've got plenty of those back in the day.
And then of course, we've got yung
Expert.
yung host natin
Oo.
dito sa WWR. We've got JC Santa Marina, who has all the coolest tech and toys to keep you cool.
Modern
and safe.
products.
Yun.
Modern products specialist.
And yung, ano ko na tawag ko dyan, Init Tech.
Editech. Okay, so we're going to talk about our just tips and tricks on how to keep cool in horrendous. I was out all day. Grabe. Buti may ganito ako eh. Yung Inotech, no? But yeah, let's talk about yung mga old school. Tito Bob, ano yung mga before we had all these gadgets and tech? How did you guys keep cool when riding?
Well, let me
Sinabutan ka rin yun.
take you guys a step backward before any such tech was available out there, to the riders. We were just left to tend to ourselves. You just wear a polo shirt, and
And Ray-Bans.
bandana caps, no helmets pa. Because this is the period that you were riding in such apparel and nobody calls you crazy. Nobody calls you kamote.
So mas malamig yata noon kasi wala.
Maraming pampuno.
Kasi sinuman. Tama ka ba?
Maraming pampuno nun.
Yes, that's very
Less traffic on EDSA.
Hindi, at saka naaalala ko nung mga time na yon, halos wala pa tayong mabilhan ng gear.
Wala.
Hindi pa available. So ang ano mo nga lang naaalala ko nun dati, basta mag-leather jacket ka, tsaka baseball cap, okay na yan.
Ako, yung pinaka what I would use back in the day, yung Joe Rocket. Di ba lahat tayo may ganun, Tito Bob, di ba? Yung Joe Rocket na mesh na jacket.
Yes, that was like much later.
His generation ka na pala yun.
Oo, hindi ko rin alam yan.
Then,
Pero tama si Buck including your Joe Rocket. Dati, when you see a store, which was very seldom, very rare, motorcycle apparels, try your luck, walk in na. And if you see, like, say, a jacket like that, and it fits you, forget about the size, the design, and the cost. Pagka okay ng feel mo doon sa jacket, buy it na. Helmet, ganun din.
The other option before was to really just go to Singapore or Hong Kong, diba, to buy gear.
And if you cannot, ask your friend who can.
Yep. Marami tayong kaibigan na
kung
stewardess.
wala kang pang Singapore, doon ka lang kay Tres Hermanas bibili. At saka kay Pipoy. Dati may mga
Pipoy.
Oh. Or sa tindahan naman yan, sa Mandaluyong. Tindahan ni Bunsyo.
YRS.
YRS. Correct. may gear, tama, may gear
Ay,
sila.
doon.
Or kila, Zandro, Ozzy.
Pupunta ka Cebu.
No, but what would you do? What would you do to keep cool back then? Ako, simple lang, tubig. Every time you stop, binabasa mo yung undershirt mo. Kasi pag tumakbo ka, lalamig ulit. And then matutuyo, di ba?
Tama. Oo.
Ano pa yung mga ibang gawain natin
Buti
back
hindi
in
ko
the day?
na inabutan yun. Kasi takot ako sa yung mapawisan lang.
Oo nga eh, kasi si JC, pag nakita mo
Asthmatic.
mag-ride, may dimpo sa likod at saka powder.
Oo. Hindi, kasi hihikayin ako nun, di ba?
Pampered.
Pag basa yung inners ko.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
That's one of the risks that people did not mind back then.
And then siya may mga ibang mga tips na parang feeling ko hindi talaga ang tip eh. Yung nagsusuot daw ng leather jacket kasi insulated sa init.
Oh, pero para sa akin, siya, dahil makapal ang leather jacket, hindi ka mabibilad sa UV rays. Pero iba na rin kasi yung init niya.
Iba yung init
Iba
eh.
yung
Yung
init
UV
kasi
rays,
dati.
hindi pa natin inisip yung UV rays nun eh. So
Oo.
dito yung mga dating gawaan.
Pero in theory, that would work. Kasi, di ba, instead of the sun hitting your skin, you
Yeah.
have
Extra
something
skin.
else's skin.
But have you
covering
ever ridden with like guys in leathers?
No, not yet.
They're very unhappy people. Kung nakita mo sila, di ba?
Kaya nauso yung leathers mo, naging vest na, sleeveless.
Oo, parang nakahanginan yung kilikili nila.
The other things you would do, you'd modify your bike. You would like chop the windshield. You would dati binubutasan ko yung handguard para may hangin sa sa grip. So there are a lot of really silly things that you would have to do to stay cool.
Yep.
Pero ngayon, what are the new things, JC? Na dami. Huli na siguro si JC.
Yeah, I mean, right now, thanks to technology as well, diba? Like, there's things that you can easily pack in your motorcycle bag or top box that you could bring along, diba? Like, I think you have one, yung akala mo, pang
This is one of my favorite things. Like, the Jisoo Life is okay, but the problem with the Jisoo Life is you have to hold it.
Yes.
Ito, actually, may lanyard. You can leave it here. Or so, yung ginagawa ko, I can strap it underneath and
Yes.
it'll cool my, under my shirt, no? Sobrang ganda pa nito. This isn't actually an OEM, pero may branded Aura Share.
Nice.
It's even a power bank. It's got light.
Yeah.
It even can be a stand. And laking bagay that you can wear
Pwede mo
it.
pa yata gawing charger, oh.
Oh, power bank siya.
Yeah. So I've seen this during one of our rides. They actually use the belt clip. Then they put it in the pants. Then
In
it
your
blows
jacket.
air inside your shirt.
Oh.
So, yeah, immediate relief yan.
I've seen people use that too.
Yeah. So, cool until you have batteries.
Other tech. Well, not I don't know if it's tech, but this thing, yung Gatsby cooling wipes, man. Sobrang sarap to sa yung deodorant wipes. Pag mainit, the minute you wipe yourself down with it and then tumakbo ka, parang naka-aircon ka.
Yep.
Gatsby, highly recommend.
I've actually used that during yung Negros Loop. Akala ko you just get the sensation when you wipe. It actually stays on your skin for about 30 minutes pa.
And then you were saying there are tips that people, not after wiping, they'll take the wipe.
Yeah. Tama. Someone last week said that what he did was he left the wipes in front and in the back.
Oh.
Under your shirt.
So that supposedly lasted more than 30 minutes.
Yes.
Kasi parang
Oh,
air
there you go.
activated sila eh.
Yes.
But I have no idea how this mentholated wipes work, but they work. Guaranteed.
I have seen products out there in the market nowadays that come in spray.
May ganon,
Cooling spray.
hindi mo kailangan na yung wipe, it's the same thing, but you spray yourself.
Yes.
Kasi ito,
That looks
Yan,
like
meron ako niyan.
powder.
Uy!
Oh, it is powder.
Snake brand. Tama.
Thai, di ba?
yeah,
Thai yan, di ba?
lavender cooling powder. Ito pa, medyo, it's a little feminine. But
Keep
it's
that away from the kitchen. Baka magamit mo yun doon.
gumagana rin to.
Dati yan yung yung para sa bungang araw.
Ah,
Oh!
Kasi
Yung
sa akin,
powder.
post-ride yan eh. Kasi pag sobrang init, lalo na if you're wearing motorcycle pants, pag tanggal mo ng pants mo, may buong araw na eh. So, you need that.
Okay.
So
Kasi-
we're talking about street riding, you know.
Mm.
But people who do off-road riding before,
Oh.
that was a problem as well. So as personal experience, we have several routes. We have yung pag sinabi mong yellow trail, may kasama kami mga newbies, light trail lang yan. Huwag lang ulan. And then,
Nako,
there's a,
nabudol na ako doon.
a blue trail, ayun, yung medyo compact group lang, ilan lang kami, and we're like kind of confident with the skill level of the riders. We can push everybody. And then yung red, at your own risk, ride at your own risk. So before, these routes, pre-identified routes, may mga kubo-kubo kaming kakilala. No? Nagpapagawa na kami ng mga ice na nasa plastic. We would park there, especially in locations na valley. Hindi nag-air circulate, walang ang init pag nandun ka sa baba.
Oh.
Hindi gumagalaw ang hangin. There's nothing moving, even the leaves are just still. You know, so we buy those. Marami naman kami dito.
So,
Lagay mo
di
dyan.
nakahandaan na sila.
And as a matter of quick hydration tips, when you go out there, doctor certified, yung mga ice pack na yan, sa corner, sa singit dito, dyan, even here, likod ng tuhod. Ayan, that brings up your thermal body back to normal levels faster than anywhere else in the body. So if you've got new techs like this, gadget, dito ang spray niya sa likod ng tuhod.
Ande, pero I have something better. And maybe JC can tell us about it. Ito, ano to, JC?
Ayan, oh.
Yan.
Yan na.
So,
Same technology as the barangay ice.
kasi last year, na-experience ko yun eh. We were doing a simple ride to Lobo.
All right.
During one of our break, kahit anong inom ko ng tubig, kahit anong tanggal ko ng gear ko, I actually took off my shoes and my socks. Because ayaw na mag-stop, mag-generate ng heat yung body ko. So the only way that I was able to cool down was to dive into the beach, diba?
Oh,
So parang
sarap.
sabi ko, I'm fortunate na I have that experience. Pero moving forward, if we're gonna do this regularly, ride this way regularly, you have to have better solutions for the riders.
Di naman pwedeng may dala kang dagat lagi. Diba?
Hindi naman pwede lagi may pool yung destination mo. Diba?
Pero how does this work,
Parang-
JC?
Okay,
Saan
so
yung ano?
continuing the story, parang one of the TV
Sorry.
shows that we actually follow every year is Drive to Survive. Have you heard of Drive to Survive? It's about the Formula One, the behind the scenes, what happens in the paddock, what happens in the post race, yung
Yeah.
That's where it all happens. So we noticed that the drivers there, especially in the hot countries like Singapore, in the Middle East, they were wearing these. It didn't look like ice, but it looked like something cold for them. So we looked at the brand, we looked at the technology behind it, and then we discovered Innotech. So Innotech, basically, their company is focusing really on personal cooling. So if you look at F1 drivers, they're exposed not just to environmental heat, they're also exposed to the heat from their bodies as they go around like 50 laps, I think, around the circuit inside a car that generates up to 200 degrees of heat. So can
In
you
a
imagine?
country that is like Emirates or
Yes.
Qatar or
Something-
Singapore. Yeah.
Somewhere really close to us, which is Singapore. Diba? And then, if you look at it, dun sa mga episodes, may mga minimension sila, they lose about 4 kilograms of body weight. 2 to 4 kilograms of body weight,
Wait,
which is
Ako,
water
dapat
loss.
ako mag-Formula 1 pala.
You will see the
Okay, so
performance.
again,
Yeah.
how does it work?
So, their main product is what we call the PCM vest. So, it's called the phase change material. So, it's not just like ice. Kasi ice, usually, it's been a solution in the past. But basically, ice is water dropped down to 0 degrees. Then you apply it to your body. The challenge with that is there's a huge shock factor to your body. So, imagine coming from really hot to cold. Diba? Sometimes they even say that that's not safe. Lalo na if you have conditions. Diba? So, the difference with phase change material is per material, there's a specific temperature. Okay? So, like for example, the white one that we have here, it's
Wow.
set at 24 degrees.
You see?
Parang
Yeah.
aircon.
It does not
Parang
burn.
aircon.
It does not burn,
Yes.
no? When you
So-
touch it, di ba? Parang
Yes, and actually that's also an effect of putting ice on your body. There's a chance you'll get frostbite. Pag tanggal mo ng ice, you're gonna have burn.
It's kind of like,
Yes, burn.
if you look at yung mga NiCad batteries versus lithium,
Mm.
yung NiCad is like, I would say, yellow.
Yes.
Diba? At peak charge, it will be power. It'll have a lot of power.
Mm.
Pero ang bilis ng drop niya. So
Yes.
yung power delivery niya goes down, goes down, goes down. Lithium, on the other hand, maintains that power. Then it drops at the end.
Oh, that's a good analogy. Tama, diba? That's why for the NiCad batteries, you had to drain it before charging it.
Yep.
Diba? So same with the PCM. Per temperature also, the lower the temperature, the shorter the time that you're cold. But that's all the time that you need. Like for example, we have the blue ones. They're the 15 degrees. That one is good for about 30 minutes. And that's what you see with these drivers. And actually, we did some tests here locally last year for the racetrack riders naman for motorcycle. Kasi doon, yung gear doon, wala silang choice. What do they normally wear sa racetrack? Diba? It's full leather suits. Okay, so 30 minutes before wearing the suit, 30 minutes after, they don't...
But yung vest back, para may sample tayo.
Yeah,
May
it's there in the
Kevlar
freezer.
ano pa yun. Leather
Hindi, yung-
suits mo. May Kevlar
yung
pa na
isang vest.
layer yun.
Well, we'll start with this one.
Sige.
It's what you see mostly in F1.
All right. Ayan na.
Yeah. So 15 degrees to. Aside from F1, aside from motorcycle riders, we actually see these with athletes. So it's a good alternative to just doing a ice bath. This one, it's regulated, it's controlled. So try it back.
Kasi mainit ulo ko kanina pag tanghali. Bungaraw ako sa labas.
Talaga kanina.
Ngayon parang nakakalma ako.
Ang
Sino
init
ba yung
talaga
kasama mo
ba?
kanina?
Everybody who went outside
Oo.
was complaining.
Ano, lamig nito ah. Mas malamig pa sa aircon nyo ah.
Oh, because that one buck is 15 degrees.
Yun.
And so that's the difference with phase change material.
Yeah.
At that temperature, it holds for a certain period. So that's why the 24 degrees is my favorite. It goes from 2 to 3 hours. Practical application for me is, unlike some riders na pagka sobrang init ng araw, they have the option not to ride. Ako, I don't have that option most of the time because I have to ride to an event, work thing. So this one actually conserves my energy. So when I'm riding in heat, when I get to the destination, I'm not tired. Because have you guys experienced that? You go on a ride.
Malaking bagay yun.
Oh, when you get to your destination, you're so tired, you just wanna flop on the couch and not do anything.
No, and then tayo, I mean, actually, all of us here, daily rider tayo eh.
Yes.
I've been using this Innotech vest
Mhm.
all day. And the day was freaking hot. And I still have a lot of energy left. Usually, pag ganitong araw na sobrang init, di ba, Tito Bob?
Yeah.
Parang pagdating mo na pag ganitong oras, parang ayaw mo na, pagod na, wasak ka na
Take
eh.
its toll on you.
And it's still, it's still cool.
Yes.
So this is another technology we can talk about.
Yeah, so this one is your phase change material. So that's just one way of their products cooling our body. So what you have right now is what we call the dry technology. So what it does is it uses the evaporative way of cooling your body. Kasi actually I did some initial search. Hindi na Google search yan. It's
ChatGPT
GPT
search.
So evaporative cooling works by using the natural process of water evaporation. So practical
Perspiring,
aspect, it's perspiring. So that's why our body perspires. It's because it wants that sweat to evaporate and cool your body.
No, it's like the OG way of doing it, wherein you're wetting the shirt. Pero when you wet your shirt, pag tumatakbo ka ng after 1 hour, hour and a half, tuyo na siya.
Yes.
At
Ito,
saka in the modern world,
Max naman.
parang ang labo na nun, babasahin mo yung t-shirt mo. Pagdating mo ngayon sa meeting, basa t-shirt mo, makikipag-meeting.
Ikaw may pake ka?
Well,
No, but ito, you don't have to keep on wetting it.
Yes.
This has been cool all freaking day, man.
Saka
Like, how long yung
reusable.
So I mean that's the main difference with the PCM and the evaporative tech. So this one, you just have to put may bladder siya, you just put water inside. Then there's a proprietary technology fabric inside.
Ito yung bladder.
Yan ba yun?
So here. So it might not be seen on camera, but this is a Inotech material. Okay? Biglang uminit dito. So, it absorbs water that you put in. So, for this kind of vest, you only need about 500 ml of water. That's about 2 or 1.5 glasses of water. And it's good for about 36 hours.
And nakakapayat.
Teka,
Looks
tanggalin
good
ko
on
muna
you,
to.
ah.
ah.
Oo,
Disclaimer, not results may vary.
Para siyang para siyang Spanx.
JC, tanggalin ko muna to kasi parang 5 minutes. Parang ang ginaw na.
May 15 degrees.
Oo.
But, you
So,
know, guys, this is in a nutshell performance taken to the next level.
yes.
Before, when you talk about performance, they talk about machines, how to cool it down. Kaya nga ang engines natin, no, historical na naman, no? 'Di ba? Mas malakas ang horsepower ng water-cooled kaysa sa air-cooled.
Kailangan mo.
'Di ba? So because of that, there is performance in your machine. Now, next level, I mean, it has been brought to the level of the rider or the driver. So you can match the pace of the performance of your machine dahil dito. Hindi ka na rin, sabi nga ni JC kanina, pagod.
Lanta.
Lanta,
You know?
yeah.
Yan.
Lanta or whatever.
Ano
Kasi
yung bagong
we all
term
know,
yan? Nahihinog.
pag nahinog ka, tapos na yung we're not talking about any performance anymore. So,
Alright,
ang galing, no?
we've
Performance to the next level.
The phase changing.
Yes.
Yan.
And then we have the
Evaporative.
evaporative. And then,
This one's the hybrid.
yun.
So this one combines the best of both worlds. So this is the hybrid vest. So what you do is, its main purpose is to house the PCM inserts. So this one you can change. Like if you have 24 degrees, 15 degrees, 21 degrees. So that's what you put inside. So can you imagine, like, if you're attending a track day event, you're a sponsor or event organizer, you're not as hot as the riders, but you need something like this because the environment is really hot. Like, for example, sa Clark, kahit mahangin, mainit yung hangin.
Or like parang si Gino Rufino. Palaging hot.
Yan. Bumabawi.
Kasi mamaya titirahin niya.
Okay lang, pasok. You wanna put it in?
Yan.
Or
So you slot it in.
tama ba yung raffia?
Yeah. The logo is inside. Yun yung reminder. So you have 4 of these. Then, since I'm using the 24 degrees, I'm good for the next 2 to 3 hours. Now, the main difference of the hybrid vest is this. Once na natapos na yung charge ng 2 to 3 hours, you take it out, soak,
2-in-1.
2-in-1 siya.
Correct.
Hence hybrid. Ito, box suotin mo.
Ito ba? There's another
Okay lang,
You should
F naman
produce
dito
it.
eh.
Yeah. So,
Try mo ba?
ikaw ang tester natin yan ba?
Parents, this is your cheat code to understanding your gamer kid. This is Keri Kita, Guide for Non-Gamer Parents. I'm Ray.
And I'm Joey. Hardcore gamers, hardcore parents. Let's learn from each other. Dito,
Keri Kita.
So ito medyo manageable. 24 degrees.
24.
Cool test dummy.
So, nakakapayat din because of the fit of the
May
vest.
payat talaga ako.
Pero wag mo pa isang tibak ha. Kasi malamang yan lang susuotin niya, hindi siya mag-shirt eh.
Bigat to masyado.
Looks
Yan.
good on you.
Ano talaga, pang mainit na.
For stationary or non-moving na application, this is good. So for example, if you watch outdoor sports, halimbawa you're a parent like me, your kids are doing outdoor sports like football, golf, for example, this would be the vest that you want to carry around with you so that you don't feel yung effect ng init sa labas. Some of the motorsports, not just in motorcycle, like for example, yung last na Yaris Cup, we also did the booth there where we supported some of the drivers to wear the PCM vest there. But for me, practical use on a day-to-day na ride, this is the best product for me.
Yeah, I mean,
For
I was
Infinite.
out of the house at like 8 a.m. all the way until 6 p.m. And
Whoa.
may charge pa.
Yes.
Malamig pa.
Because it's 36 hours, so you still
36
have
hours.
tomorrow.
At saka pag track day, ganda talaga. May lagayan pa kayo ng mga sponsors.
Yes. Sino ba yung sponsor dyan?
Billboard.
Okay, so we covered portable fans, these Gatsby, yung Innotech. What other cool tech do we have?
Well, right now, when you go to jackets, diba, parang ang first thing that comes to mind is mesh jackets are gonna be the best jackets for summer. But I beg to differ with that idea because
Leather jacket ka rin.
no, not all mesh because not all mesh jackets are
Created equally.
created equally. Like for example, you can have all the mesh in your jacket, but having mesh also compromises your safety. So some mesh jackets have a lower safety rating in terms of slide protection. So that's one. Then second, if it's really full mesh, aside from having good airflow inside, you're not just getting the cold airflow. You're also getting the
The
heat.
hot air.
The heat. So, na-experience ko yun. I had mesh pants, so excited. Doon ko lang na-realize na all the heat from the engine, now I feel it in my thighs as well. So, one thing na we did a lot of research on was looking for yung best balance of that. Good protection and at the same time, good airflow for the mesh.
Yung 790 ko, di ba? I can't wear like low-cut riding shoes on that. Kasi, putya, pumapasok yung init sa loob eh. Kailangan talaga 3/4. And then, like, it has to cover all of your skin.
When we look at mesh jackets, so this is your typical mesh jacket. You have part that's more resistant to abrasion. Then you have the mesh na panel. So, but if you're like me, I like riding fast as well. Sport touring jackets, this is one of the more cooling when it comes to yung technology for mesh. Because aside from having the right panels for it, okay, this jacket has this. It has airflow channels.
Oh, wow! Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito ah.
Yan. So, I've actually compared it on some of my rides where I was riding fast, but I don't feel the cool air coming in my body. So, what I have to do is raise my elbows so that's when the flow comes in. Kasi yung concept ng cooling through mesh is you have cold air coming in, then the hot air should go out somewhere. So, with this airflow panel, okay, you have the right amount of protection here. Okay, then you get all of the cool air inside, and the airflow panel helps expel.
Parang
heat.
hybrid rin.
Yes. So you get maximum protection for slides, but good cooling balance. Then this jacket also has a hack inside that, aside from having the standard zipper, it also has a summer zipper. So,
so open yung gitna
yan,
for
so
airflow.
For airflow.
Okay.
You gotta love these Germans when
So
they
why would you
design their
ever
jackets.
zip up the outside?
When it rains or forma.
And speed.
Yeah, in speed.
You'd like to be,
Less drag.
all closed up
Yeah.
when you go.
Kasi if you don't zip it
beach.
all the way, there's space here naman sa sides.
Naku, hindi bibili ni King yan.
Ay, hindi pang ano eh. Hindi
siya
pang
pang
forma
hipster
eh.
eh. Oo. Masyadong functional.
Yeah, so that's a held jacket.
Ang galing ng
Galing,
technology
galing.
on this jacket,
Yeah. And
Because-
this one, I think you've tried this one, diba? The held tropic.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung may B for belly.
B for belly.
Oo.
Talaga?
No, they have a version na held tropic B. And it is really for belly kasi mas may
Mas
space
maluwag.
sa gitna. Oh.
Yeah. Kasi usually, if you need more space here, you get a bigger size jacket.
So,
So,
haba yung sleeves.
yes.
Ang weird ng ano.
The armor doesn't align to the right parts. Like, yung shoulder armor mo nandito na. So, kailangan yung pag nag-crash ka, tatimingin mo.
That makes
Paano?
sense.
Ang galing talaga ng mga Aleman.
Yeah.
German technology.
Yeah. So, you notice why it's not even full mesh here in the back, but it's cooler than some of the jackets that are full mesh in the back. Kasi they also consider airflow when it comes to designing their jackets.
Galing.
Alam nilang
Ganun pala yun.
maraming dad bod.
Oo. And then yung mga may pera, yung mga dad bod eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Mark's home. I-play ba natin yung video?
Abangan.
sa live mo, tanong yun.
Wow.
The live stream. Okay, so we talked about the Innotech. We talked about jackets. What about gloves, man?
Okay, so summertime gloves, we have it also from the same brand, Held. So the difference
Aleman
with
ulit.
Held, is that I've tried it in rides. I have several Sigura na leather gloves. They're really nice looking. But when it's summer, kahit na you hold your hands up, air doesn't come in. Diba? So with this one, their design is that
Para kicking yun.
yeah. So
Oo.
you just raise your hand, get some of the air inside your fingers. Nandun na yung air, malamig na yung hands mo. Then they have a liner. It's Climatech. So that one is it keeps your hands cool also.
No, I'm surprised because you guys have these gloves, and then there's one that's complete leather,
Mm,
and I can't deal with complete leather gloves.
mm.
I know that they've got a lot more protection and but because of that Climatech material, ang lamig sa loob.
Yes.
Sobrang lamig.
Yeah, we were actually skeptic with that when it came in. Sabi ni Ken, parang how's that gonna keep you cool? It's leather again. So I wore it. So malamig naman siya eh. Tapos I tested it during the Batangas loop. So that
Pero
one,
malamig sa Batangas loop.
yeah, but it rained in the morning. Tapos it was really hot midday. So I had the best of both worlds nung ride na yun.
Okay, so
Old jackets kasi are made from material non-techy. They're just dyed and prepared to
wala pa yung
last over time.
material science. Wala pa yun.
Yes, but the problem with that is that kaya nga yung theory na kaninang pinag-usapan natin, it holds true only for a certain period of time. Pag lumabas ka, makapal, it does not penetrate your body, your skin right away, so you don't feel it immediately. Plus, the fact that back in the day, wala masyadong traffic, ride ka ng ride, so there's almost constant wind hitting your body. So there lies the story why the impression on leathers insulate you more. But in reality, yung magagandang leather that we used before, if you use it now, what will you notice? It retains the heat.
Iba talaga
Ang
yung
init, Ang init. So pagka ngayong klaseng traffic, gamit mo yung leather, ouch.
Yeah.
Mainit
I
talaga.
can imagine.
So iba talaga yung init ngayon kaysa sa
talaga.
dati. Iba talaga. So I mean, aside from that, you also have, what are your recommendations for shoes?
Okay.
There you go.
So that's why when you look at our catalog of shoes, which is mainly the Falco brand, they have two classifications for the textile shoes. They have the air and the water. So yung water is the water resistant. So that's basically your Gore-Tex material that prevents water to go inside the shoe. So they also have these kinds of shoe with air technology. So it allows good airflow naman to go inside your shoe.
Oh, neon pa, oh.
Yeah.
I have that exact same pair.
there you
These are
go.
actually my favorite daily riding shoes. Ang lamig eh. And, I mean, okay, so it's not something that I would take on like a long ride on the big bike, right? But daily use, daily commuter use, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Or
Scooter,
even like
city ride.
Tagaytay lang pwede. But anything longer, I would wear something a little bit more robust.
Pagka commute ride.
Yeah.
Pwede pala ito.
I think bagay doon yung Marshall.
Yung Marshall na
Adventure. Low cut na, mid cut na adventure shoes.
which I also have. Okay,
You do?
helmet.
My goodness.
Okay, so di ba in the past, parang solution for hot days is just to wear yung baon na helmet. Yun yung maximum airflow, di ba?
So there are two types. One is the daily rider, and then of course the long rider, right? So iba yung, if I'm gonna go on a long ride, I want to use a full face helmet.
Yes.
Of course.
If I'm on the scooter, Cubao to Makati, okay ako sa jet helmet, diba?
Yeah. So basically, for long rides, ang recommended ko for summertime is the modular helmet. Because you have both. Once you go on the highway, you can put down the chin bar and you have a fully working full face helmet. Then once you want to take a break, you're at the stop, you don't have to remove the entire helmet, just flip it up. Then you already have a 3/4 helmet.
Pero ang alam ko, ibang dahilan kung bakit gusto mo yun eh. Ha?
Bakit?
Ayan, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
Alam mo, totoo yan ha. Kasi we have a lot of customers who buy the
there you go.
helmets.
Yung mga
Kayong
smoker,
dalawa.
Yes.
Yung mga smokers.
yung mga vapors. So,
Di ba?
Pero yung mga kilala akong skilled riders, kahit full-facing helmet, kaya mo.
kaya. Where there's an addiction, there's a way. So, this is
There you go.
a great helmet for
Goodness.
a hot long ride because it's
Convertible.
convertible yon, and it's homologated as a full face, diba?
And an open face.
And
Double.
an open face, double homologation. So the technology behind this, and it looks
My
so freaking
goodness.
cool. Oh,
Yeah. And it's functional as well. When you flip it up, it becomes a spoiler. So you still have good
Air down
aerodynamics when you ride.
Oh, true. And at that setup, it doesn't look like it's the front chin.
and if this is my helmet.
Galing, eh?
If I'm gonna ride every day in the city, this is the best helmet to go with because a couple of things. One, there are a lot of open face helmets, and what people think na parang basta open face okay na. Hindi yan totoo. Kasi maraming open face na walang venting. This has a massive vent on
Which
top.
is key.
It's key. And also, ang laking bagay nito because if you are again riding and biglang umulan or maalikabok or whatever, you can put the shield down. And this shield is really smart because may venting dito sa ilalim. So pag tumatakbo ka, you can actually feel the air going in. It curves around here and goes all the way to the back.
Yes.
Not only that, it's so easy to take out the windshield.
Oh.
And maganda siya as a, I don't wanna, baka.
You can do it.
All right. Another time, maybe.
Another time.
Another time.
But it's super easy.
Yeah.
Super easy to take it out. And then you just ride with the
Vince.
Drop down visor.
drop-down visor.
Yeah.
This
And-
is one of the best daily ride helmets around.
Yeah.
But there's another feature of this vents that you were mentioning.
Fog. Anti-fog siya.
There you go.
Correct,
When it
correct.
starts cooling, like you're in a cold weather
Or rainy
climate, like
season na.
Tagaytay, for starters, cool lang. Baguio, di ba, once you put it on and then you exhale, you see your lens fogging up as far as like it depends on how deep you exhale.
Exhale,
no?
yes.
Yun.
Yeah.
With these vents, it equalizes. So you eliminate the fog that builds up while you're breathing.
Yeah.
Pag umulan, yun na, di lalong wala ka ng problema.
And Shark actually intentionally does that, the good venting, because it's part of their EPS technology for better protection for your head. So aside from cooling your head, actually it adds better dynamics between the EPS and your head in case of a crash. So that's that when it comes to yung airflow. And at the same time, that airflow actually helps also in reducing the vibration of the helmet when you're riding at speed naman. So instead of feeling the turbulence outside, it absorbs that turbulent air and it uses it as a cooling system for your head.
Pero sa city naman, hindi ako
Yeah.
humahataw eh. Okay, so we've covered the gear na. Other things that's new, no?
What's that?
This is so when
Deodorant.
Gino's here off to the side because he'll be joining on the live stream. Pero yeah, I saw when we were in El Nido, I saw Catrice using this and putting it on her face.
Oh, sunblock.
Sabi ko sa kanya, ba't ka naglalagay ng deodorant sa mukha? So, I researched and I hate sunblock. I hate it. Yung parang ang langkit, ang
Sticky.
ano.
Oh.
This one, you just pop it on your face and it's kind of like makeup. It makes you less oily. It's got a
Really?
matting whatever and it doesn't feel icky.
Yeah.
Right. 'Di ba? Ang
Really?
galing nito.
Can that be applied here?
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo. Oo.
Para walang sunburn.
There you go.
And
I
hindi
learned
siya malangkit.
This is probably the tech of the evening for me.
This is great. This is great.
Can I see again?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ganda.
Okay, so ikaw, Bak, ano ba yung mga ibang what do you do sa bundok ka eh? Eh, pagod talaga yung mga ginagawa niyo eh.
Hardcore.
Number one, mas maganda kung yung route nyo meron dadaanan na ilog.
Yun. Okay.
Lublub ka sa ilog, para kang na-reset.
That's true.
Laking bagay ng
Tanggal.
route planning.
Tanggal yung ano mo doon, tanggal yung heat sa katawan. And then, para kang bagong gising na ride ka ulit.
No, actually, that's a great point, no? You gotta stop and in this kind of heat, usually hour and a half, pero kung ganitong kainit, stop every hour. You gotta plan stops. Route planning is key. Ano pa ba?
Proper hydration, may importante yan.
There you go.
So, marami na ngayon na mga hydration bag na available. May mga pang trail running, may mga riding specific na, like katulad ang ginagamit ko, yung Uswe.
Oo.
Meron yan sa Touratech at saka sa Motoworld.
Hydration.
Inom ng tubig, importante yan.
Then kinikwento nila Mark, and anybody who does like hardcore rides, hydration isn't just for the day itself, 'di ba? Parang the day before pa lang naglo-load up na
Preparation
sila
is key. Yes.
Nag-ano sila
Pero actually, dapat ginagawa niyo yun palagi. Kasi parang mahilig tayo, bumili ng Coke, bumili ng soft drinks, bumili ng juice. Maski sa pag kakain ka lang ng lunch, magso-soft drinks ka eh. Instead mag-soft drinks kayo, tubig.
Yeah. Or
Kasi,
buko juice.
Kung kailangan ng katawan mo ng extra hydration, ibig sabihin, hindi healthy yung lifestyle. So, mag-hydrate kayo na maayos,
Si Mark yun,
magtubig kayo.
Kailangan nyo ng extra hydration, pare. Hindi healthy yung lifestyle namin.
Dati back off-roading had accessories. Wala pa yung mga backpacks na yan, hydration packs and everything. What you can buy was yung mga bottles that you can put in the handlebar. Tanggalin mo yung bar pad ng mga dirt bikes, may slot siya doon, lagay mo doon, water bottle. Meron pa isa, nalalagay mo dito sa may fork, sa between the triple clamps. So, ngayon, convenient na.
Tsaka dati, yung Tito Bobby, di ba? Yung 1.5 na plastic PET bottle.
Easy, yes.
Tatanggalan mo lang ng konting laman para medyo namomold mo. Tatali mo lang sa handlebar.
Hacks na yun.
Importante yung tubig. Tubig talaga.
And the other, aside from water, malaking bagay din yung hydration salts. Again, it's not just on the day of the ride itself.
Yeah.
And you gotta stay hydrated. If you feel thirsty na, it's too late. So you gotta, kailangan unahan mo yung...
If you're gonna do something crazy like go off-roading, or that you're going to be exposed to both the heat and yung pagod, no? Dalawa yon. Kaya sinasabi mo, Coke kasi sugar, no? Or energy. But the salt, hydration naman yun. So it normally comes in twos. So if you're going to do maybe even cycle, no? In this heat index currently that we're experiencing, salt and sugar, yan ang tandem niya. To be,
Tito Bob is being the veteran and JC being the heat gear geek. Ano yung final tips natin for
Dadagdag ko lang. Kanina, you're talking about the air circulation feature of these Shark helmets. If you pay close attention to it, kasi most of the helmets come with padding protection layer that's just flat. If you try to open up the pads here, makikita mo may grooves, complementing the
airflow yung channel.
Thermal insulation principle operates on space and flowing air. Yeah. So ito, kompleto yung nandoon.
Iba pala kung engineer, no?
Yes.
Diba? Ito kompleto, kaya ito masarap na helmet.
JC, what are your final tips, man?
Well, I was looking at the Initech catalog. Nakakatuwa lang na they also mentioned there na if you're gonna go riding the next day, make sure that you don't take alcohol the night before. Because it's gonna be contradictory to yung concept ni Buck ng preparing with hydration. True. Then, for me, I really believe that if you have a medical condition, if there's an option, just don't ride na lang on that day. Don't risk it. Take a car. Then lastly, when it comes to planning your ride, I always do that kasi. So, plan good times for your ride. So, for
Oo.
example, if my meeting is at 10, I don't leave at 9. So, I'd leave earlier, 6, 7, then just wait there. May Starbucks naman somewhere and I'll just stay cool there. Then, if I have the option, I'll leave later, which is around 4 or 5. So, just proper planning.
And I guess finally, dealing with the heat, all of these things are cool and they sound like nice to have, but really riding in this heat is potentially dangerous. And if you are uncomfortable, if it's so hot that you're distracted and
Yep.
you're not able to keep cool, that's also dangerous because that distraction can get you into an accident.
Yep.
So yeah,
May last ako.
oh,
Yung mga ugaling masasama, magbago na kayo para hindi umiinit yung ulo nyo.
and magbago sila kasi pupunta sila sa hell eh.
Bigyan mo na ng cup. Ito,
Yeah.
cooling cup.
Cooling cup to?
On that
Uy,
note, see you
Sino
guys next week. We've got Miss Techie and the Rebels on 29 Rider. That's gonna be a lot of
Wow.
fun. And yeah, ride safe and ride cool.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.